Hey there. Today I want to show you how you can use Frontic and Studio's GitHub integration to continuously iterate on changes to your online store and afterwards how to deploy them safely. So I've pulled up the existing IKEA shop that we've worked on before. I've loaded it into a new job, so we don't have any conversation history. But before we make any changes, I actually want to go ahead and deploy that store as is. So I've went over to Vercel and I'm creating a new project here. I have deployed the repository that I've pushed these jobs changes to before, and then I can just hit import. It's automatically gonna determine the correct presets for my application, and I can just click deploy and wait for it to finish. So now it's given me the summary here. It's deployed correctly. I can open it in a new tab, and here we go. We actually have the working online store with all the features deployed to this website. So now that we have that done within under a minute, let's see how we can actually integrate that into our existing workflow with Studio. So let's get back to Studio and just implement a small little feature to kind of see a change happening. So I noticed that on actual IKEA detail pages, I really like this way of displaying the reviews where I have a short preview of the various reviews that there are. And I also have this summary of the average rating and the reviews. So I kind of want to achieve that same look and feel in Studio as well. So one very helpful feature to achieve that is that I can actually upload images or screenshots in Studio to explain my idea. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then tell Studio to replicate it. Hey Studio, I really like the way that the original IKEA store displays product reviews from customers. So I have attached an image of kind of the look and feel that I want to go for, and I would like you to implement it. So you can see something happening that's very specific to Studio because first of all, it explores the project source code, but then it also has a look at the integrated data and it says, okay, the project already has reviews, which I can actually look at. And then it's able to fetch sample data for reviews to understand which kind of fields it receives and how they are filled. For example, it can tell whether it shows full names, whether there's a review summary, how long that summary is, and so on. So depending on that, it can make different decisions on how to display it afterwards. And those things obviously go together, and Studio is very good at picking up those patterns. And after a bit of self-evaluation, Studio says it's finished. We can scroll down real quick, and here we see our new overview of the customer reviews. We have this nice horizontal scroll bar here. We have the review headings. We have the rating itself and the names as well. So in the last step, we now want to deploy this to our website, right? So what we can do is just go up here to commit changes. This will open the commit dialog. We already have the existing main branch, and I'll say edit new review overview. I'm going to commit that to the main. Now that the commit is done, we have to give it a couple seconds, and then we can see the changes take effect. We're back to it. I just gave the page a reload. You can see this is on the Vercel deployment right here. And as we scroll down, we see our new review panel.